Hello friends, welcome to What's Logic. In this video we'll be able to create a registration system for users, the users who visit your website. So for that, let's go to localhost and then to our website WordPress. Fine, then let's visit around, and then friends, we are available here to our WordPress website, and then go to WordPress minus admin, so wp minus admin. Then what we'll do here is to install, we'll install, actually it says wrong password. I think I forgot my password, so every time I visit here I forgot my password. So yeah, let me think if I can log in it with this password. No. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and still not able to. It says root, and then let's check in root. Not able. uh, let's check if I can log in with this one, and it's still not able to log in. So what was my password? Let me remember. First of all, let me pause this video and let me find the password for it. So friends, actually I found the password for it, and it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And when I logged in, actually 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and now it logged in me in, and update password. So fine, save. And then friends, to actually create the user registration system in your website, friends, what you will have to do is install one new plugin that is called um, profile builder, I think so. Let me first of all open add plugins option, and then type profile builder, and then you must find one plugin called profile builder, and that's a better plugin, that's the best plugin I have found everywhere for creating user registration systems. And friends, this plugin also supports email option to, so that if any user registers and it enters an email, then actually one email will be sent to its email address, and then he must have to activate his account by going to his email address and then finding the email from the system which has been sent, and then click on the link, activation link, and then activate his account. So actually this supports that, but for that your server needs to have one email sending system, and unfortunately the system does not have. So that's what error with this one, but you can try this option with other systems. So activate it, and then after some while you found that you'll find that actually this profile builder plugin has been activated, and it has add-ons. But let's go, first of all go to basic information, and then click on enable extra features, and then go to this is the email confirmation activated option, friends, which I was talking about, which I was talking about. And minimum password, and get all these to default options, and then click on save changes. And then what I have to do is go to basic information, and then hover over pages page, and the pages option, and then click on right click on add new, and click on open new tab. And then what I have to do is type here register, and we are creating now a register page. And what you have to do is to copy this short code of WPPB register, and then go ahead and paste this over here, and then click on publish button, and then actually click on add new button, and then this time we'll do it for login. So login, fine, and we'll copy for shortcode for login, then copy it, and then paste it over here, and then publish. Fine, we're ready, friends. And now what I have to do is go to settings, and then general settings, and then they will have to click on the button anyone can register, and then click on save changes, and then open your another browser, and then go to localhost. And friends, actually we forgot one more step, that is to add registration and login option in your menu. So for that, go to appearance and then menu, and then friends, what you have to do is, actually we'll have to create a menu, main menu, and then let's create it, and manage locations, let's set it to primary menu, social top menu, and that's main menu. Save changes, fine, and edit menus, and then there will add actually login registration option to menu. Then we'll click on save menu option, fine, we're ready, and go to localhost/wordpress, and then click on it, open it. And friends, they have an option called register. Let's register. First of all, let's get username to abc, and friends, first name put then something, and doesn't matters. Contact info, email is required, so put the abcd at the rate blah 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 dot com, fine, and it requires password. So let's set it to 1234, and then 1234. Every time when I put some password in any account, friends, I forget it very sooner. So the account has been successful together, and now let's log in. So if we will be able to log in, then that's what the sign of that we have successfully created our login register system. So username was actually abc, and password was 1234. Now let's check out login, and that logs us in, and that means that registration has been done, and it says that login, you are currently logged in as abc. And that's how you can create a user registration system in your websites. So thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next tutorial.